Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can complete the KYC level 2 verification of Bybit. So first, you just have to log into your Bybit account and then go to your profile icon at the top right corner. So just click on your profile icon and then click on account and security or the verification. So from here, you just have to make sure that level 1 is already verified. Then click verify now under level 2. So KYC level 2 requires proof of address. So this can be a utility bill, a bank statement, a government issued document. So this is dated within the last 3 months and showing your full name and address clearly. So you have to make sure that the file is in JPG, PNG, or PDF format. So make sure that it is not cropped or edited, and make sure that it is under 10 MB in size. So once you have uploaded your document, you just have to click on submit at the bottom. Now, you just have to wait, so it usually takes anywhere from 15 minutes to 48 hours. So you will get an email or application notification once it is approved. Now, to be able to check your status, you just have to go back to the verification page. So if it says verified under level 2, you are all set. Now you can also enjoy higher limits and more platform features. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!